So assuming you're a Microsoft 365 subscriber, if you happen to be that and you're paying for Zoom, the question would be, why? So I'm going to highlight, they're not in any sort of organized order. These points are based on the paid plans, but when we look at Zoom and say, well, what does that offer us? So when it comes to Zoom meetings, right, you can have up to 1,000 participants. And Zoom will support a meeting as long as 30 hours, which is insane, but hey, there it is. Zoom also supports, voice calling. We can share our screen, an app, or documents when we use Zoom. There is a whiteboarding component if we want to, as part of our meeting, collaborate, drawing on a digital whiteboard of sorts. The thing that was really like the great when it came to, for example, live online instruction with the use of Zoom was this concept of breaking out groups, right? You have this large group and you put them out in breakout rooms to go off on an activity and come back. And then we also have customized backgrounds. And you can see, so I'm using Teams right now, and I have a customized background. And actually, Teams checks off all those same boxes that I've just mentioned with Zoom. The only difference is I think the longest meeting you can host in Teams is 24 hours versus 30 hours. I don't see that being a deal breaker.